This how to 1 minute will show you how to use GoDaddy website builder. Using website builder, you can customize your website easily. So as you can see right now, I'm in my GoDaddy website builder, and to change any text, simply click the text, and now using this slider you can make the text smaller and bigger. To change text font, select the text and click on change font. And now from this font list you can select any font for the text and click on done to apply. Also you can change your text align from here. And if you want to change your website theme, then go to the theme section and click on color, and from here you can easily change your theme color. To change your website theme, click on try a new look, and from this list you can select any theme for your website. So I'm selecting this one, and as you can see the theme has been successfully changed. To change your entire website fonts, default fonts basically, click on fonts, and now from this list you can select any font. To change your website buttons, click on buttons, and now you can change your primary button from here. You can change secondary button style from here. And to replace any image, click on the image that you want to replace. And the image will show up here. Now click on change image. And now you can select a different image from stock media, or you can upload an image from your computer by clicking on add image, or you can drag the image here to add. Now go to the settings tab. By clicking on unpublish, you can make your website unpublish. You can change your site basic information by clicking on basic information. Now you can change your site name, site category. You can add your email address here. You can add an address, phone number. Click on done to save changes. Now go to the social media links section. Here you can add your Facebook link, Twitter. So basically you will be able to add your social media links here. To change your website favicon, click on favicon, and it's a premium feature, so you have to upgrade to add a custom favicon to your GoDaddy website. And here you will get a bunch of different settings. You can add cookie banner, Google Analytics, Metapixel here. And after customizing your website, make sure to click on publish to save changes. And if you want to add a page to your website, go to website tab, and here you will get this plus icon. So click on it and select new page and enter the page name here. And to show the page in navigations, enable this option. Click on create page, and here we can see the page has been created. To reorder pages, click here, and now you can change the page position by dragging and dropping it. And now select the page that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit or customize my text page, so I'm selecting my text page, and as you can see, this page is totally blank. Now let's add some section here. To add section, click on add section, and here you will get lots of section. You can add any of them. For example, I want to add here a image gallery, so I'm searching here image and clicking on image gallery. Selecting photo gallery, and from these available photo galleries, you can select any of them to add to your web page. Just click on add, and here you can see it's added. And you can change your accent from here, and you can also replace these images from here. Now let's add a contact form here. So clicking on add section and searching here contact, clicking on contact us, and let's add this contact form to this page. So as you can see, the contact form added. To enable contact form, click on contact form and toggle this option, show contact form, and here you can see the form has been added. And now you can change your contact form field name, input type from here. So this is how we can use GoDaddy website builder. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.